13 gadgets, every single one available on Amazon right now, and I guarantee you've never seen at least half of these before. We're talking a gaming mouse that kicks back with real recoil every time you shoot, and a fan that displays the actual time in glowing LED lights while it's spinning. And somewhere in this video there's one gadget that's going to make you stop and say, wait, that's actually on Amazon. No recycled products, no stuff you've seen 100 times, just 13 things that are genuinely new. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Most gaming mice feel exactly the same. Same clicks, same scroll wheel, same boring experience you've had for years. This one is built completely different. Instead of clicking, you pull an actual metal trigger, and the mouse kicks back with real recoil every single time you shoot. The Erggo Strike 7 was built specifically for FPS games like Call of Duty, Valorant, and CS2. 26,000 DPI, fully wireless, customizable recoil strength. Holding this doesn't feel like using a mouse. It feels like holding a weapon. This looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real bow you can actually buy. Magnetic quick-load arrows, tactical attachments, and a fully modular design that makes every traditional bow look completely outdated. Built for speed, precision, and rapid shots without any of the usual hassle. Whether you're into hunting, survival gear, or just want the most futuristic piece of equipment in your collection, this one hits different in every possible way. Every serious workshop needs a vise, but not like this one. The Macagic VSS01 clamps objects automatically with one button press, adjusts pressure intelligently, and locks down tighter than anything you could do by hand in seconds. Woodworking, repairs, DIY builds, precision electronics, it handles all of it without breaking a sweat. Honestly, once you see an electric vise do all the work for you, going back to a manual one feels like going back to a flip phone. This one straight up looks like it shouldn't be physically possible. The Earth hovering in midair, spinning 360 degrees with zero visible support. LED lighting glowing underneath, nothing holding it up. Magnetic levitation doing exactly what it was meant to do, making something ordinary look absolutely insane. Put this on your desk and every single person who walks into the room stops and stares. And the crazy part? It's sitting on Amazon for less than you'd expect. Stick around because what's coming up at number 7 is even more unexpected than this. Compressed air cans are straight up outdated. You buy them, they run out in 10 minutes, and you're back at the store buying more. This air duster blasts air at insane speed. Keyboards, bike parts, car vents, camera lenses, anything dusty. And it just keeps going because it's USB-C rechargeable. And here's the part nobody expects. It's powerful enough to start a campfire. One device that cleans your entire setup and handles outdoor use at the same time. Genuinely useful no matter where you are. Here's something every content creator needs to hear. The reason some creators look so smooth and natural on camera isn't talent, it's this. A pro teleprompter that lets you read your entire script while looking straight into the lens. Slide in your iPad, connect the remote, adjust the glass, and your videos instantly feel confident, polished, and professional. This is the kind of Amazon find that levels up your entire content game overnight without changing anything else about your setup. Most lamps just sit there. This one moves. The magnetic LED filament bends into whatever shape you want every time you shake it, turning a simple light into something that looks like it belongs in a design studio. Cordless, rechargeable, lasts for days, and makes any room instantly feel more premium. Honestly, this feels like the kind of gadget Apple would make if they decided to design nightlights. Your desk setup is never going to look the same after this. This weighs 2.8 ounces. Something that small can inflate over 10 air mattresses on a single charge and fit flat in your pocket. Camping trips, road trips, beach days, it handles all of it. 5 nozzles covering pool floats, pillows, vacuum bags, and more. And when the sun goes down, it doubles as a 400 lumen camping light. USB-C rechargeable. This is one of those Amazon gadgets that earns its spot in your bag and never leaves. This one feels like a magic trick the first time you try it. Set your phone down on the stand and it immediately starts blasting audio. No pairing, no setup, no Bluetooth connection needed. Just place it down and the sound kicks in instantly. Also works as a Bluetooth speaker, a phone stand, and an emergency power bank all at the same time. Once you have this on your desk for a week, you are never going back to just propping your phone against something. Most open signs look like they belong in a diner from 1998. This one is a completely different story. Cycles through colors, flashes animations, and lets you update your business hours automatically from your phone. Schedule different hours for weekends, holidays, and late nights, all from an app. Customers see it clearly from across the street. For any small business owner looking to stand out without spending a fortune, this makes you look instantly more professional. 2 more left, and number 13 is the one you definitely didn't expect to find on Amazon. This looks like a regular USB fan until you turn it on. The spinning blades suddenly display the actual time and room temperature in glowing LED lights right in front of you, like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Plug it into your laptop, angle it any direction, and your desk immediately feels like it's from the future. Safe to touch, compact, and one of those Amazon finds that makes people stop and ask, "Wait, is that actually a clock?" Always catching yourself spinning a pen or clicking something just to keep your hands busy? This is that, but actually useful. A pocket-sized screwdriver with interchangeable bits for real quick fixes, but when there's nothing to repair, it becomes the most satisfying fidget tool you've ever held. Spin it, flip it, play with it. Keeps your hands busy and your focus sharp at the same time. Compact, genuinely addictive, and the kind of Amazon find you didn't know you needed until you have it. Alright, 13 gadgets, every single one on Amazon right now, and every single one you probably hadn't seen before today. From that recoil gaming mouse to that fidget screwdriver you're definitely going to carry everywhere. This list was built for people who want something genuinely different. Everything's linked in the description, so go grab whatever caught your eye. Subscribe to toolwiserz, because we find the stuff nobody else is showing you. I'll catch you in the next one.